Hello everyone, and welcome to another video. This video is brought to you by ForgottenLoot.org. That's ForgottenLoot.org. And if this is your first time, please like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel at the end of the video. Now on this channel, we'll try our best to help people that's looking for unclaimed property in the state that they live or the state that they used to live in. Maybe it's for themselves, a family member, or a business. Whatever you're trying to search for, I'm going to show you how to do it. A lot of people don't know these things exist. When I was first told about it, I thought it was a hoax. I thought it was a lie. But I listened to my wife and did what she told me to do. And lo and behold, I did receive some money back. So I made it a point to show as many people as I can look for unclaimed property, as I said before, in their state that they currently live or a previous state. Now, our video today is on Colorado, and we're going to check the Colorado unclaimed property database to see what we can find in there. It's not a hard process, but sometimes it can get tricky, what to click on, where to look. So I want to make it a little easy for you so you'll know exactly what you need to do. Now we can see so far who is running this, who's in charge. It's a brother named David Young and his office of the state treasurer. And as we can see, they have returned this amount of money back to individuals. It doesn't say if it's since last year or this year, but so far we can see that they have returned good amount of money back to people. Now we know that they have millions still, sometimes billions of dollars they have holding, and where are these, where these assets come from, where they come from. Every business loses track of property and payments, occasionally resulting in unclaimed property, which can be claimed. Corporations, schools, hospitals, and small businesses are also listed among the many individuals whose assets are in the possession of the state. Okay, so many money or property turned over to the state treasury for safekeeping always belongs to the owner or heir of the amount, and there are no time limits for filing your claim. The Colorado State Treasury currently maintains a list of over 1.7 million names of individuals as well as businesses for whom property is available. So we can see they have 1.7 million names. That's a lot of people. Alright, so we can see that they have returned that much already. Now what we're going to hit this button here and do a search, or we can scroll down and we can check here. Alright, so we're just going to click, and to check a claim, you use this section here to check a claim. You only use this button if you already filed a claim and you want to say, for instance, a week passed and you didn't hear anything from them, then you come in and check here. Alright, so we're going to hit the get start button. I'm going to put my last name here. Alright, and I can put, well, some places make you put your first name as well, but the last name is all it's asking for. I can put city and zip code. I don't live in Colorado. I've never lived in Colorado, so I'm not going to put anything there. If you're looking for property ID, I think most times looking for the tax ID for these property ID, or I could be wrong. I don't really look up properties, just look up for individuals. So I think one day I'm going to start looking up property IDs to see exactly what the property ID they're looking for. If it's the tax IDs or what they give them as property. But what we're going to do, we're going to look into just the names. I'm going to put my name in. And as we can see, we have some numbers here. So we have the first one. It doesn't give, it just gives the city, zip code, and the holders, for instance, who's sending the money to the state. So Amazon.com Inc. and subsidiaries send $150. This one says over 50. We can see. And how would you know this belongs to you? So basically, you check the city, the zip code. As I said, it's not giving any, Glendale, It's saying who's sending it. You can see somebody's name right here, both first and last name, Jacob Curtis, and this is the address on the 50. You can go down. Alan Curtis here, we have a bunch of them. I mean Alfred, I'm sorry. Alfred, Alan. You can see here. This looks like this is the same person. Yeah, this looks like the same person. Neiman Marcus, under 50. Most of them are under 50, some are over 50. Next, over 50. Keep going down. Over 50. And let's see how we file this claim. We basically, let's say we find this one here. So this is the person that's also, wow, this is me. Okay, I used to live here. Zip code matches. Okay, this is me. So basically, click here, and on top you just hit view claim. If it's it's not me, you can always remove it. Okay, so hit view claim, and please select the relationship that you have to each property owner. So you can hit owner, estate representative, heir, business representative. So we're going to hit owner, file claim. We're going to fill this form out. Anything that have the red asterisks next to it, you want to make sure these are filled out. If they're not filled out, you will not get a response. You'll get an error message before you next. You'll get an error message, and it's going to highlight these areas in red that needs to be filled out. Okay, it's a 3-step process. You're going to hit, once you finish filling out all this information, hit next, preview, next, claim summary, next. So it'll give you a claim number. You can either print out the claim number or write it down on a piece of paper. So when you come back to check, then you have something to enter in the form to see the status of your claim. Okay, we're going to go back to the home page. I'm going to enter another name. Let's do let's enter Johnson. Let's see what we get for Johnson. We have a lot of, some more under 50, over 50, under 50. It seems like they set this to just show under 50, over 50. That's what it looks like. So you wouldn't even know how much you're really gonna get. It's over 50. It could be any amount. It could be any amount. They just set it to just to show over 50 or under 50. Let's go down and see if we see anything that's. But we can see here that there's over 50 here. We can see. Okay, so this person has 2. So let's say this, we just file a 2 for this 2 here. The name is the same. Zip code is the same. We're gonna hit claim. And this is the same person. Okay, how do we know? Names are the same, city is the same, zip code is the same. For owner for both. Now we don't know exactly how this could be anything. It could be 100, 200, it could be anything. Oh no, it's over 50. And I'm just gonna hit file the claim. And we on the form, we're gonna enter your information. If you're filling this out for a family member or friend, make sure you have all the correct information. This way there'll be no delays. Maybe you put the wrong letter in the name, you put the wrong social security number. Just make sure everything is correct, so there won't be any delay in your claims. Alright, and then once everything is filled out, you're gonna hit next. You're gonna preview the information, Again, you're gonna pick if you know your individual, so that remains the same. Hit next. Claim summary. Go through, and that's it. It's very simple. Make sure you write down the claim number so you can always come back and check to see the status of the claim that you file. And how we do that is we'll go to check existing claim status. Okay, you do it right here. Let's do one more. I want to see. Let's do a name. Let's do Holtz. That's what we get for Holtz. Let's see. No records found. Let's do. What can we do? Let's do Solomon. Let's do Tamil. Let's see if there's anything come up with that name at all. Oh yeah, we do have the name Tamil. One is over 50, one is under 50. Let's do another one. Let's do Escobar. Find anything? We do have Escobar. We have a lot of Escobar. See? They have set their system to show under 50 or over 50. As we can see. So again, if this is, if you're looking and you see a name, you know exactly what you need to do. You're gonna hit the claim. View claim. Select owner or estate representative, heir, owner. You file claim. Fill out the information. Make sure it's correct. Next, preview claim. Next, then next, and information to the claim summary. Don't forget to write the information down, which will be your claim number, so you'll be able to come back and check the status of your claim. My name is Michael, and I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to share, like this video. You can also visit my website, forgottenloot.org, for more info. Thanks. Have a great day.